Hello, this is Dave at TitleSearch.com. Today we're going to be talking about doing title searches in the state of Illinois. In Illinois, there are 105 counties as of right now, and we cover title search requests in all of those counties. In fact, we have certified title abstractors in every county every day in Illinois. For example, in Cook County, we have usually 8 examiners in the county records room all day until they close at 5, pulling documents to be able to put together a title search for you. Of course, as of right now, Illinois is a judicial foreclosure state, meaning that a mortgage is used as opposed to a deed of trust. And that means the court must issue the final judgment. It's a judicial process rather than a lawyer-run process. Illinois also has some specific rules about mechanics liens. The mechanics lien must be filed with a 60-day notice in advance and maximum of 4 months after the mechanics lien is active. It's also subject to homestead laws. In Illinois, there's very specific homestead laws for spouses and owners of a property to exempt them from certain types of liens. Purchase money mortgages are not part of that homestead exemption. They stick with the property. Also, Illinois has specific requirements for documents to be recorded that it has a valid legal description. It has to have the legal on the document or attached to it as an exhibit. You can't just go by an address or parcel number. The counties have specific recording requirements to make sure that legal is good on there. There's also similar requirements to have typed name below any signature. Somebody signs their name transferring property interest, whether it's a mortgage or a lien or a deed, that person's name must be typed below the signature to make that valid. Again, this is just some basic information about Illinois to give you some details on title records and how they exist in that state. It's not designed to be all-inclusive, and of course this is not designed to be legal advice like you'd get from an attorney. One of the things that we find curious about Illinois is in Cook County, of course where Chicago is, sometimes their effective date may be a month or 2, sometimes 3 months behind. What does that mean? Well, if somebody brings down a deed for recording, let's say to the land records, present it to the recording clerk, that deed may not get into the land records index for a month or 2. So that lag time is important to note, and we note that on every search that we do, so that you'll know when the records are updated. Until they're actually better than they used to be. A few years ago, there was a time that they were 8 or 9 months behind in Cook County, but they've caught up quite a bit. So for Illinois, there's some interesting things about running title searches. It's important to have local knowledge about that. Our searchers that are in each county know how that county runs. They know if they need to get civil court records from another courthouse, if they need to get microfilm, if they need to pull actually old deed books, depending upon what's needed for that search. So if we can help with a title search in Illinois, certainly give us a call. You can reach us through our website at TitleSearch.com. Thanks for watching.